أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear friend, my dear viewers? I hope are you fine and are you very happy? And always may Allah keep you happy. So let's start from here. And Nurani Qaida exercise number 10 about the sukoon and jazm. So what is sukoon and what is jazm? This is very important and keep in your mind. So that is sukoon. Call this sign sukoon and jazm. And the sukoon and the jazm, one sign, and call these letters sakin. So basically the sakin letter combined with the before letter and the sakin letter combined with the previous letter. So like this, amza ba zabar ab, and we will connect with the before letter, we will join with the previous letter. One time we will reading. So like this we will reading. Amza ba zabar ab, amza ba zer ib, amza ba pish ub, ab, ib, ub. Amza ta zabar at, amza ta zer it, amza ta pesh ut, at, it, ut. Amza sa zabar as, amza sa zer is, amza sa pesh us, as, is, us. Next, amza jim zabar aj, amza jim zer ij, amza jim pesh uj, aj, ij, uj. So keep in your mind that is the ba letter and the jim letter, that is hurufe qalqala, and the hurufe qalqala we will reading like this, a little mute this letter. Hamza ha zabar ah, hamza ha zer ih, hamza ha pish uh, ah, ih, uh. Next, hamza ha zabar ah, hamza ha zer ih, hamza ha pish ah, ih, uh. Next, hamza dal zabar ad, hamza dal zer id, hamza dal pish ud, ad, id, ud. Hamza zal zabar az, hamza zal zer iz, hamza zal pesh uz, az, iz, uz. Hamza ra zabar ar, hamza ra zer ir, hamza ra pesh ur, ar, ir, ur. Hamza za zabar az, hamza za zer iz, hamza za pesh uz, az, iz, uz. Next, hamza sin zabar as, hamza sin zer is, hamza sin pesh us, as, is, us. Hamza shin zabar ash, hamza shin zer ish, hamza shin pesh ush, ash, ish, ush. Hamza swad zabar as, hamza swad zer is, hamza swad pesh us, as, is, us. Hamza swad zabar az, hamza swad zer is, hamza swad pesh uz, az, is, uz. Hamza twa zabar at, hamza twa zer it, hamza twa pesh ut, at, it, ut. Hamza zwa zabar az, hamza zwa zer is, and hamza zwa pesh uz, az, is, uz. So we will reading like this to even the last letter. That is complete. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget this video to like and subscribe and share with to other people. Jazakallah khaira, barakallah.